Sacrum was misaligned, sir, wasn't it? Ooh, we got a thoracic right here. Is that why you're congested, sir? On the finger. Oh, nice. Awesome. You're such a good boy, too.
He's so
He's
quiet.
so good. All right. Let's line your back. We got to check that atlas now. Okay. I know you're nice, comfy. Oh,